Hi everybody, I wanted to share with you my experience at the multi-six-figure Etsy blueprint because I'm so new. I've only been doing her program for about 2 weeks, and before her program it was almost like I didn't even exist on Etsy. I got barely any views. I had 4 sales in a year. That's nothing. I had listings up. Nobody looks. And I didn't understand why. Everybody on my other social media platforms said, oh, it's wonderful. I'd get tons of views, but no conversion. And so I followed her steps to the letter. And I love the way she just simply walks you through every single step. I was doing SEO wrong. I was doing my titles wrong, my pictures wrong, my descriptions wrong. Everything I was doing that I thought was fabulous. I'm an artist. I had all this flowery language and all these wonderful things going on, and it was getting me absolutely nowhere, and I didn't understand why. Now I know the why, and Dylan has helped me see my why now. She really opened my eyes to what is possible and what I need to do to change things. So I want to share with you really quick, because I think because I'm so new, this is in the last 24 hours. And this is after I implemented what she said. I brought 89% of the traffic with no ads. No ads. That's incredible. And before, it was nothing. I brought 800% YOY compared to last year. I had 1900% views up in 4 hours since last night. Incredible to me. And it's 9:30 in the morning. I'm doing this at 9:30 in the morning, and that's it. Thank you, Dylan. You're amazing. Folks, if you're on the edge, sign up. Bye.